fam, how you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to share with you a couple of things that turn off potential and existing clients. Yes, I'm going to go straight into it. The first thing is just unnecessary lies. You know, you've gone to pitch and you're telling them about your years of existence. Of course, when you start our businesses, we all want to look like we have experience, you've been doing it. You want to look like you have everything figured out. So you try to lie that you've been in existence for, let's say, 10 years and it's just your first year. And then they get to notice, or rather, there is no consistency in what you're presenting. Or maybe when someone else asks you how many years have been in existence, you say 7 years. So you keep contradicting yourself, and when they spot such things, it's just a turn off to them. Because if you're lying to them just from the word go when you're looking for that business, how many times are you going to be lying to them when it comes to doing their projects? So that is such a turn off, kabisa. Same as even this kind of turn off even applies to relationships and just, you know, how you normal relationships. If I come to you and you keep on lying to me, Jesus Christ, I mean, we're not going to be friends. I don't like liars. And if there are two L's in my life that I don't like, liars and lazy people. But today, we're not here to talk about what the things that turn me off, things that turn potential clients and existing clients off. That's why we are here. Second thing that turns these people off is overpromising and under-delivering. Let's say you've done a job, like I did a shoot over the weekend, and I told the client that I'll give them the video edit, the final edit, not even the final, the first draft by Wednesday. And then I tell them exact time on Wednesday, the time that I'll be delivering the video, sending the video to them, or rather delivering in person. And then when it gets to that time, I'm not able to deliver. It's not a good thing. So to be safe on this one of promising and under delivering, rather you just tell them you'll do the job and then deliver something that is out of this world. Or maybe a client comes to you and gives you pictures video that they did, they already shot it, and the quality is not so good, and you tell them that you're going to make it to an HD. Sam, is that even possible? I mean, like, it's not possible. The things that you tell your client, you promise them, hey, you're going to do it, you can, and then when it comes to delivering, you deliver nothing, something that is not even, you know. Stop over promising and under delivering. Yes, that is something that turns off potential clients. If you can't do it, just saying, yeah, you can't do it. Period. Then the third thing that you need to stop doing that turns off potential clients is lack of confidence. By the way, even to me, when you're coming to sell me something and you're not confident, I mean, I don't think I'll even pay attention to you. Like, or maybe you're coming to present something to me and you're mumbling. You're just talking too many things, you're not going to the point. It's a turn off to me. Anyway, the fourth point is how you package yourself is very, very important. It can also attract clients to you or put them off. For example, you're coming to pitch to me and you're coming with a presentation that has spelling mistakes. Sweetheart, how are you supposed to work together? Like, if I give you a brief, will you even understand it? If I tell you I want something to be done, will you even take time? Like, it just shows that you don't pay attention to details. You don't go through the work that you're coming even to present to me. So just how you package yourself and how you present yourself shows so much about you. Like, for example, my YouTube channel. First of all, I thank Willie and Sam they've been helping me like organize all these things that you're seeing on the background, just making sure that the lighting is okay. All these things that are going on, how I package it and deliver it to you is very important, and I'm still improving. So how you package yourself shows so much. It will either turn someone off or turn them on. Yes. The fourth point is what is leading us to the fifth point, which is not paying attention to the client's needs. For example, you give a brief. Yes, let me just use a brief. I give a brief to you to do a certain job. And then because you're this creative person, there's a way I want it to be done. There's something that I'm looking for and I've come to you. And because you're very creative, especially in my industry, we are very creative and we always have ideas. We always want to do this. And this particular client is just asking you for such a simple thing. Now, you misinterpret the whole brief and go and do something totally different. First of all, you're wasting resources, you're wasting time, and then when you get to them, they'll be like, this is not what we asked for. We asked for a picture with a girl who got natural hair like Christine like this, and then you're giving us a girl who got you get my point. Yes. So please just make sure that you pay attention to your clients' needs. Yeah, you not push them away by doing things that you're thinking in your head and you think is good. Yeah. My sixth point is lack of communication. When you don't communicate to your client on time, these are existing clients or maybe potential clients. So potential clients, you're going to meet them for the first time and you're supposed to meet them at a particular time. Let's say you're meeting at 9 a.m. and then you're stuck in traffic, you're running late, or maybe there's just something. Accidents are things that of course usually do happen and you can't avoid them sometimes. So you need to communicate to them and tell them that you're running late or this is something that is happening, and not lie. You know, such things usually turn people off. Even me here, yeah. So lack of communication. Or maybe when you've done a job and there's something that maybe came up, maybe the machine crashed when you're doing a project. It happens a lot when it comes to media industry and all this production stuff. Your machine, maybe something happened and then it crashed, even your hard drive crashed, and that's where the work was. So something just happened. So before you recover all that, just communicate to your client the situation that is happening on the ground so that they know. When they know, at least they'll understand. But when you're not communicating with them or maybe telling them what is going on, like being realistic and truthful, you'll end up losing them or you'll end up not even getting them. The last thing is poor customer service. Let me give you a practical example that happened to when I used to have a barber shop. Yes. People used to come in, especially on Saturday. We used to have so much work on Saturdays and Fridays. Like, you'll find the place is so packed. So when someone walks in and there's no one to attend to them at the reception, there's a problem. Like, you sit there for like 10 minutes, no one has even talked to you. Such things usually just turns off the clients. Like, you'll find someone coming. If I go to a place and I've not been attended to for, let's say, may I just give 5 minutes? I do have my patience, by the way, my patience. I'm still working on it. I don't have a lot of time. So when I come to a place, I want something to be done. I'm not like the most important. I don't want you to stop everything. But you just need to say, even hi is enough. Just telling me, hi, welcome, just have a seat. Let me finish with this person. And then, give me magazine to read or give me something. Yeah. So this is something that when I used to have this beauty parlor, sometimes used to have so much going on. And the people who were working there were like, maybe they were busy and then someone comes in. And then they go. I remember there's a time a client called me and told me that I went to your salon and there's no one who was even attending to me. And I felt so bad, So such things, just make sure that you have someone their work is just to attend to these people. So customer service is really, really good when it comes to this. And if you don't have good customer service, you will put or turn off those clients. Even how you talk. It doesn't have to be someone who's permanently there. Even how you approach your clients, how you talk to them, how you all these things. Anyway, guys, that's the end of this video. If you like it, crown it by thumbing up. Is it thumbing up? Thumbing up, thumbing up. Yes. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. And if you're watching this and you've gotten to this point and there's something that you feel like that usually turn off clients that I haven't mentioned, please just leave a comment below so that we can keep on building each other and learning these things. And until next time, guys, kisses.